it's Eugenia. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup video where I try to recreate a makeup look. I did a video like this not too long ago, kinda, like where I let you guys like send me pictures of makeup that you'd like me to try to like recreate. This was actually one of the pictures that somebody sent to me, but like I thought I should make it its own video just because it's like a really crazy makeup look. And yeah, like honestly, I have no idea if I would ever be able to do this because this is the picture, by the way. It is like very crazy. I think it's so cool looking. Like I think whoever this person is that did this is so talented, and I think that her makeup just came out so awesome and like really cool, but it also looks like extremely hard to do, so I'm kind of doubting that I'm gonna be able to do it. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to do today. I'm gonna like try to like recreate that and yeah, see how this works. All right, so I'm gonna do the easy part first and just put on this Urban Decay primer potion. Yeah, this part's gonna be like really easy, thank God. So the colors look like really crazy and really cool. It looks like it's mostly kind of like silver and blue and black, I think. I don't think that I actually had an eyeshadow that was like quite so like sparkly and like really like silver and stuff. I brought like two palettes here. I'm gonna see which one I guess works the best. The first one is this Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. There's one that looks like pretty silver. Like it's a pretty sparkly silver. So yeah, it's probably not gonna be as sparkly as the one in the picture, but I'm gonna like try that one and yeah, just put that like all on my lid. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna use for the silver. See, actually now that I'm putting on, I'm like, yeah, I think this one was a good choice. Like it's like, yeah, it's like very shiny. So I still don't know if maybe it's as shiny as the one in the girl's picture, but I don't think that it's too different, you see. Alright, so we're just gonna put this on both eyes. It's actually a really nice color, like so far. Luckily this isn't like starting out too bad. I feel like this could get like really bad, but like with just the silver, it's like not too bad yet. Silver is now on my eyes, yay. So in this girl's eye, I feel like it's so kind of like complex how she has it. I think there's kind of like a black line that's kind of like in the crease and then kind of like makes a little bit of a wing outward, but then it gets like more extended and it's like really crazy. So I think maybe she used eyeliner for that, so I'm just gonna try to use eyeliner for that. I don't like normally do my eyeliner where I kind of line like all in there, so I don't really know how well this is gonna like work, but yeah, I'm gonna give it a try though, and hopefully it turns out all right. I'm using like a different eyeliner brush right here than like what I usually use. I just kind of thought that this brush might work better for this. My line's already so messy. This is so hard. There's gotta be a better way. I feel like maybe if I had like a liquid eyeliner, maybe this would have come out like neater. I need to like focus. Ready? Maybe I should have used a slanted brush after all. I didn't want it to get that thick either. Okay, I'm gonna go to a slanted brush. I don't think I'm doing this right. Yeah, I should have probably just used a slanted brush. Oh wait, maybe not. Never mind. That's so messy. It's like, why is it so much easier to do eyeliner on like where you usually put eyeliner than it is to do on the top of your eye? I feel like this is like such a different experience. Oh, it looks so messy. All right, well, that's my attempt at a line. I feel like it came out like so messy, but I tried. And then it looks like it kind of like extends a little bit and then goes back. So I'm gonna also try to do that. Luckily, I think doing like the regular kind of eyeliner, just like near like where you usually put eyeliner, is like so much easier than doing it like in this little like top area of your eye. So that part at least shouldn't look as bad as like the top looks. So it looks like it just kind of like extends a bit out and then kind of like comes back in and like shapes a little bit of a triangle. And then it looks like it just kind of like closes off and is like regular eyeliner. Normally I would always do eyeliner after I do all my shadows. This probably is like not even the right order to be doing this in, which I'm also kind of realizing like I should have done this in a different order. But I just saw that black line, like it was like near to silver, so I was like, okay, I guess it's time to like do that part of the makeup. So yeah, I don't know. I'm like, this is probably like the worst order to also like be doing this in, but maybe it will actually turn out looking just like the picture and I'll be like, yeah, you know what? That that was a great decision after all. I feel like that one on this side is actually coming out much cleaner than the other one. Both of these sides might not be completely perfect. I feel like the right side came out so much better than the left side though. Like it just looks like a much like cleaner line, and I don't know. And then it looks like kind of like in the inner corner, there's a bunch of black. It looks like very, very dark. I think I'm gonna use a crease brush for that because it's kind of like in the inner corner in the crease. I'm hoping that this black is gonna be dark enough right here. Yeah, I think that should be black enough. I'm gonna kind of put that in like circular motions. All right. I don't know if it looks just like the picture. I'm probably gonna have to like clean my face up after. I'm probably gonna have like so much black stuff on my face. And then it looks like kind of in like the mid part of the crease and above the eye, it kind of like transitions into a darker blue. So for that, I'm gonna use this darker blue Dive, also in this palette, and just kind of do that like right next to the black part. I actually feel like this is like the perfect blue for this. And then it looks like it kind of turned into a triangle sort of, and it kind of like continued black into that corner. I think I'm gonna try to make my eyeliner just like a little bit more like triangular, or like drop a bit, and then I'm just gonna kind of go over it with like black eyeshadow. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Gonna draw like straight upwards a little. Just gonna connect that a bit. Guys, I feel like I probably really should have done this in a different order. Like the colors are all like getting like messed up. I probably should have done the top part first. I think it looks better. I think it doesn't look like as messy as before, which is like that eyeliner line. It might not be like as defined of a line now as the picture, but I feel like it's improving at least. Wow, I have so much like eyeshadow like falling on my face right now. And then it looks like she also has a good amount of eyeshadow on the bottom of her eyes, so I'm also gonna do that. I don't know how much you can see that on camera, but like I have so much eyeshadow just like all over my face right now. So it looks like on the bottom of her eyes, she has, oh, and she has a white mascara. I actually don't have that, but I do have a white eyeliner. So I think I am just gonna take my white eyeliner and apply that pretty heavy to my lower lash line and my waterline. So yeah, just gonna apply this pretty heavy to the waterline and a little bit below my lash line too. Probably a lot below my lash line, kinda, like more than usual, because it looks pretty heavy on this picture. It looks like there's like a good amount of white. I love white eyeliner, but this is like so much more than I usually put on. That's probably the most amount of white eyeliner that I've ever worn. And then it kind of looks like underneath that, it's a pretty heavy look. Like this entire look is pretty heavy. And it looks like it kind of then like transitions into a black, and then right below that it is like a darker blue shade. So I'm just gonna kind of try to do the same kind of look and also kind of have like it turn into a black and then into a blue right after. It's like, how am I even gonna do this? I already feel like it got pretty heavy on the bottom with the white. Like that is definitely kind of a lot of white eyeshadow. Yeah, okay, might be getting a little bit weird looking now. I don't know. I don't want to make this black too heavy, but at the same time, I do want it to be heavy. All right, and then I'm just gonna put the blue. The girl who did this must literally be one of the most talented makeup people like in the world. I'm just trying to like get this to be like a good blend. Wow. I feel like my eyes look like so big right now. Kind of scary, but I'm not sure how she got like that to be so nice and like slanted there with the silver, but I don't think it's too bad like that, I guess. So here it looks like she has like this really cool kind of like thunderstorms theme. Her eyes, like they have like lightning in the eye makeup, so it looks so cool. So I have never really done anything like that ever. So I bought this Urban Decay Razor Sharp Liquid Eyeliner, and I have no idea if that's what she used. I'm actually really not sure how people go about doing anything like that. I thought like maybe, just like maybe, I could get kind of a similar effect if I just kind of try to draw on lightning bolts with this. The top here, I'm gonna like try to do something similar to this picture, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Whoa, it goes on so much thicker than it looks like it's going to. Oh my gosh. It's not really applying. I love Urban Decay, but so far, this isn't even showing up very well. How do I apply this? On my finger, you can kind of see it. See? Like in my hand. In my eye, I'm like, it's like not being as effective as I'd like. This doesn't look like lightning bolts at all. Well, it's probably not the eyeliner's fault though. It's probably just not made to like do what I'm trying to do right now. Alright, well, none of that's really showing up. It looks like she probably has mascara on, so I'm just gonna also do that. I'm just gonna like curl my lashes and put mascara on. Well, I did find out, I think like some of these colors though, I really like them. I mean, I think they're really pretty. I think the silver is a really pretty shade. I think that that was a pretty similar color. And then I actually have an idea for this. So I actually think to get my bottom lashes to look white, because I just think that would like complete this more, I guess. I don't really know like exactly what I can do to do that, but I feel like I could at least try. I'm gonna see if maybe I can just use like a silver shadow and kind of like go over them with a brush and just see if it makes them look at all any whiter. Cause I don't know, it would probably be better than being black. It'll at least be like closer. I feel like maybe it would kind of work. I mean, they're a little bit whiter looking. I wouldn't really say they look like white. All right, guys, well, that is my attempt at recreating that makeup. Looking at it, I wouldn't really say that it looks like the picture, like, at all. I tried really hard. I'll show you guys closer too, so you can see exactly how this came out. As you get closer, I think it's probably kind of worse than from a distance. Like, then you kind of see that it did get a little bit messy, especially probably when I closed my eye. Not exactly the easiest look here. So yeah, you can see it just gets a little bit messy. Probably didn't do the best job, but let me know what you guys think. And if you enjoyed seeing me do this and seeing me attempt to do this extremely hard makeup at all, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up so I know that you liked it. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos from me. I have all my links down there in the description, like my Twitter and my Instagram and my live stream links. I've also recently started doing live streams on Twitch and it's been really fun, so you want to come and follow me on there too. That would be super cool. Talk to you guys later. Bye!